Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 6. This is my friends Muhammad Lukman Aderianto and I am Gabriansa. We are standing here for presentation the Peter Pan conversation.
Hello Gabriansa, how are you today?
Hello Lukman, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good too. By the way, what are your plans after graduate from SMKN 4 Jakarta?
I am going to graduate vocational school in next year. Then I am going to work in the next year. Yes. Next I am going to continue study in college in the after I am going to success. Then I am going to buy a house in the year. Next, I am going to Macau with my family in the next year. After that, I am going to buy a car in the next year. Then I am going to marry in the next year.
Lukman, man, sien man.
After that, I am going to in Japan in the next year. Last, I am going to with my family in the next year. What are your plans?
I'm going to graduate from SMKN 4 Jakarta next 2 years. Next, I'm going to work in company the next 3 years. Next, I'm going to continue study in big university the next 4 years. Next, I'm going to graduate from big university next 5 years. Next, I'm going to living successful next 6 years. Next, I'm going to a lot money for transport the next 7 years. Next, I'm going to buy a house next 8 years. Next, I'm going to make university next 9 years. Next, I'm going to marry the next 10 years. Next, I'm going to Mecca with my family next 10 years.
Thank you. Hah?
Good plan, Lukman.
Thanks, I hope we can achieve. Thanks, I hope we can achieve our dream.
I have to go now. See you later.
Alright, see you, goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Man.